معكم حمودي بامبي. مجهزين لكم مغامرة أسطورية. I'm coming to you baby. بمناسبة عيد المئوي لشيفي تراكس. I brought this legend to this legend.
So we're gonna make wash out of this truck.
تعالوا معي. يو السلام عليكم. معكم حمودي بامبي. انا من عشاق الشيفروليه، اوكي؟ وانا متاكد ان وايدين يحبون الشيفروليه. مجهزين لكم مغامره اسطوريه. جاهزين؟ تعالوا معي. خلوني أعطيكم من المعلومات اللي من عندي شوية. في سنة 1967 طارت طيارات بوينغ 737 لأول مرة. أعطيكم بعد؟ أوكي. في سنة 1967 محمد علي كلاي رفض أنه يدخل الخدمة العسكرية وتم منعه من الملاكمة، مسكين والله حرام. وفي سنة 1967 فرقة ذا دورز أصدروا أول ألبوم لهم. وايد معلومات أعطيتكم، ها؟ تعالوا معي تعالوا. والمفاجأة الكبرى والمفاجأة الكبرى في 1967 الترك هذا، الأسطورة هذه، الوحش هذا انوجد. شو رايكم في المعلومات؟ عجبكم ولا لا؟ في 2018 السيارة هاي بيصير عمرها 51 سنة بمناسبة عيد المئوي لشيفي تراكس. طلبت مني شيفروليه اريبيا اني ادور لكم الشخص الاسطوري اللي يقدر يجدد الاسطورة اللي وراي. انزين، اللي هو بير غارسيا. بير غارسيا هو من اهم صناع سيارات بالعالم. كان من ضمن فريق ويست كوست كاستمز. والخبر الحلو ان بير غارسيا عايش في دبي وانا عندي رقمه وبتصل فيه الحين. Hello. Get ready, we're coming to you. I like that. See you there then. Hey, Bear, I'm coming to you, baby. I'm coming to you, baby. Yeah. We reached, baby. Hello. Here we go. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you, brother?
I'm very good. You right?
Yeah.
So, here we go. Finally, I met you. And I brought this legend to this legend.
Thank you.
So the reason I'm here, Chevrolet truck is celebrating 100 years. You know, this legend is still healthy, as you can see.
Yeah, it's a beautiful truck.
I love Chevrolet. The reason I'm here is this one. الحين عرفتوا أنا ليش هني؟ هذا ما شاء الله عليه وحش.
What, my muscles?
No, your muscle is وحش, you know? Your brain muscle. Tell me, Bear, what are you gonna do with this one?
Well, it's a beautiful truck as it is, but you know what? I have to step back, envision it. I'll have to put some sketches together, tie the two celebrations, and make something happen with it.
You're gonna change the whole thing, or you're gonna renew it?
The shape, everything is
Still healthy.
just great the way it is, but we're just going to bring it up with the time.
Original since then.
Yeah.
It's still original. That's how strong is this beast. I like that. Let's do khashmik with this car, you know? This Arabic way. I really can't wait to see what you're going to do with this car.
So let's have a look at the heart and soul of this thing. Man, this thing is still all in its original condition. It's 51 years old and everything is still here working.
It comes like this since day one, zero.
Right off the factory, just like this.
What are you going to do?
Like the envision in this is, you know what, we're going to have to keep up with the times and we're going to have to modernize everything. We'll put a new engine, new AC, new brakes, clean all the chassis, build it from the ground up with the still classic look.
بنشوف هالوحش شو بيسوي فيه بغيره. I like that. So you want to take a round? You see what are you gonna do with this car?
Do it, let's go over it. Let's have a look.
Show me. Yeah, bro. Come
I mean, I have so many things going off in my head.
After you, sir.
Everything is there. I just want to drive it just the way it is. But you know what? All this is going to change into something immaculate, wonderful, elegant, all in one time.
Everything looks so good. Look at this.
So we're going to take this out. We're going to take it to your home. You can sleep on it.
All right.
We're going to make everything new inside here.
Okay.
Shui shui. Shui shui, Baba. Shui shui.
Sorry, baby. What else we can check?
What do you call it? Jumping nut?
Jumpy nut.
Jumping nut. We need to check
The
that.
suspensions?
Yeah.
I check them on?
Yeah, check it.
All right, I'll check them on. My own way.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be an issue that we need to
change it.
Yeah.
Still,
Oh man, everything in there.
everything's clean.
Look, it still has the original dealership tag from 1967.
So, are we gonna start working on it today?
I would love to get started today, but I don't think you're ready for what I have for you tomorrow.
Well, this is how it goes. Anyway,
So go home, get some rest, put on your battle clothes. We're gonna get greasy and dirty tomorrow.
woo, I like that. Can't wait, guys. See you tomorrow, boys. مشكورين على المتابعة، ولا تنسون تسووا لنا سبسكرايب على قناة شيفروليه أرابيا في يوتيوب، وتريوا منا إن شاء الله الخطوات الجاية عند هالوحش. I like that. Are you ready?
Jazz.
Say yeah, hey.
Yeah.
No. Hey.
Hey.
I like that.